In today's video, we are going to be making this irresistible rice sticks. You guys, this is the perfect rice sticks recipe for you to try out because it is easy, it is quick. This is the kind of recipe that you make when you want to impress someone or even yourself, and it is so easy, so straightforward. If you want to check it out, all the ingredient lists here in the description box, so check it out. Now, without yapping too much, let us get into the recipe. These are some of the ingredients we'll be using for our rice sticks recipe. First things first, we have some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some green bell peppers. All you have to do is slice them as thinly as you can. Again, we are just prepping all the ingredients so that when we are ready to cook, we just go immediately. I'm also using some carrots, some cabbage, and a little bit of sweet corn. I just decided to add that. Now we set that aside. Into your shrimp, you're going to add some black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, and a little bit of salt. Then you're just going to mix this. We are just going to marinate this for a couple minutes. Again, we are prepping all our ingredients beforehand. Set that aside to marinate. Now we have beef stripes here. All I'm just going to do is season this with some black pepper, ginger powder, all-purpose seasoning, paprika powder, and a little bit of salt. You want to make sure that the beef you're using is very tender so it doesn't take time to cook. I got this one from ShopRite because they have it pre-made, so you can also get that. Now I'll just mix this thoroughly and also marinate this for a couple minutes. This is the rice stick that I am using. It's the most popular one in the supermarket I shop from, so you can just use any other one. Now we are going to also prep some eggs. This is optional actually. I just thought to add it on the whim. I'm adding a little bit of black pepper to it, and that is it. You just whisk that and also set aside. Now in a pot, you're going to add some vegetable oil. You can also use canola oil for this. The trick now is to cook the meat until the meat is done. Please and please do not boil this. That's why I said you have to use tender meat. If you use tender meat, you don't have to do too much. This thing gets ready in like 7 to 10 minutes if you're cooking on medium to high heat. Afterwards, you're going to remove it from the pan and then set that aside. Again, do not boil this or do not steam this. Just marinate and then fry. It's still a cooking process. Frying is still a cooking process, you guys. Now we are going to boil the corn. This one is a must. I don't know, there's just something that the corn does to this recipe. So just boil the corn and set aside. I'm also going to cook the shrimp while the corn is boiling because I'm trying to maximize my time here. Shrimp cooks really fast, so you also have to be very fast. You don't want it to turn into rubber, so be very careful. After like 2 to 3 minutes, your shrimp is ready. So take note of that. Now remove that and also set aside. Now the most popular way of making rice sticks, you see people adding warm water into the rice stick in order to make it cook, and they'll tell you to do it for 2 to 3 minutes. I've found that that method is very problematic. So what I do now is I use room temperature water and I just soak it for longer. I do anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes, and I find that my rice stick is still firm. It's not mushy or anything like that because we are still going to cook the rice stick further. Now just note that our corn is ready, so we're going to set that aside. Now back in the same pot that we fried our beef and shrimp, we're going to add some oil, let that heat up. Then we're going to add some onion. We're also going to saute that for a few minutes before adding some garlic. Garlic is really important in this recipe, so you should definitely add it. You saute for a couple minutes again. Then we're going to add the carrots, the bell peppers. I'm also going to add cabbage to this just because I wanted to. You don't have to do that. I'm going to saute this for anywhere between 20 seconds to 30 seconds. This is because I don't want the vegetables too crunchy, and I also don't want them to be very soggy. So 20 seconds to 30 seconds is a really good time for this. Now I'm just going to push them aside, and then we are going to add a little bit more oil and then the eggs that we whisked earlier. All you have to do now is just stir this. Nothing too serious, just do exactly what I'm doing here and you are fine. While we are here, you guys, in case it's the first time you're hearing my voice or in case it's the first time you're seeing a video from me, hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm a digital content creator and YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I share recipe videos like this twice weekly, and I also share a bit of my lifestyle in vlogs once weekly. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment letting me know that you like it. This is what our rice sticks look like after 7 minutes. You can see that it is still firm. This is what you should be striving to get. Now back to our pots, we're going to add a little bit of seasoning to this. I'm also going to add some chili flakes to this, and then we're going to add the rice sticks. Again, notice how it is still firm. I'm going to add some oyster sauce and a little bit of soy sauce to this. All you want to do now is stir this and combine it properly. Also make sure that you're cooking on medium to high heat because you don't want this to stay on fire for too long. If not, your rice stick is going to get soggy. This thing is very thin and it gets soggy really fast. After stirring this for a bit, you're going to add all the things that you want to add. Of course, you can customize yours, you can do more things, or you can add more things. I'm also adding some spring onions to this, and that is it. Your rice sticks is ready. It's so delicious, so beautiful, easy to make. You guys know I always share easy recipes, and I try my best to explain them as easy as I can. So if you like this video, please click on the like button. Please leave a comment letting me know that you love the video. You can also share the video because it helps the algorithm know that people actually find the video helpful. Please, if you try this recipe, I want you to send me a picture or a video. You can send it to my Instagram, TikTok. You can also send me an email. I just want to see that you people are recreating my recipes. You people already do that, but I want to see more. You leave comments letting me know that you recreate the recipes, but I want to see pictures, I want to see videos. So please do that for me. Love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.